And once again, we're here at Lose Cards and Collectibles, Kingston, Ontario, 613-389-1578. And we're cracking some more superlative with our best customer of the day, Jonathan. What do you do for a living, Jonathan?
Pardon?
You must be a doctor. Here we go. There's like a fresh pack. What do you like better, hockey cards or jelly beans?
Hockey cards.
Who's going to be in this pack?
I don't know.
Wayne Gretzky. Oh, covered.
Okay. And here's our first card.
Joe Thornton autograph.
Joe Thornton autograph, number 1 of 50. Ooh, second card.
Dominic Hasek autograph jersey, out of 50.
Third card, Steve Mason prospect.
Jersey auto.
Steve Mason's pretty good.
Mark Stahl
jersey
card.
1 of 30. Ooh, very nice.
No. Dominic Hasek patch card.
Yeah, very cool looking patch. Can you see that one again for a sec? Very, very nice Dominic Hasek patch.
300 wins, Tom Barrasso. Nice two color with some stitching in there.
That one's number 2 of 9. And our last card. Oh,
nice. Frank Mahovlich
auto threads. Number 1 of 9. Very, very nice. What do you think of that pack, Jonathan?
Good.
That was a good one, eh? Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Lose Cards and Collectibles, Kingston, Ontario. Hotmail us at losecards@hotmail.